Hello guys, I'm making this video about how dinosaurs sound like part 3. Sorry. If you haven't watched part 2 and part 1, please go watch it. Now I really don't have much to say, but except for the making this video about how dinosaurs sound like. I said in the first one that in real life dinosaurs would sound much different than they would sound in the movies like Jurassic Park and World. Now, please comment down below what is your favorite dinosaur. Mine is Veracinosaurus. But let's get to it in 3, 2, 1, let's go. It's just the intro. It's not a dinosaur. I will tell which dinosaur it is. Okay, the first one we got is Deinonychus. Sound like a crow. Sound like a moose. A moose mixed with a crow. The other one we got is Gallimimus. Gallimimus. They're really similar to ostriches because they're very tall and have long neck. Bro, it sounds like a moose, almost with a SpongeBob laugh, like this. But this is terrifying. The other one we got is Pachycephalosaurus. Sound like a monster. Bro, it sounds like me farting and burping at the same time. Okay, the other one we got is Carnotaurus. Boy. Okay, the other one is a Parasaurolophus. Bro, it sounds like my tummy rumbling after not eating breakfast. That was so funny. Okay, the other we got is Ankylosaurus. Bro, it sounds like a monster. Bro, it sounds bro, it sounds like a monster laughing. Bro, this is actually terrifying. Okay, the other one got is Carcharodontosaurus. Sound like a car engine. But this is terrifying. Just wait a minute. Just wait a minute. Hi. Sorry, guys. My dad disrupted my job. Sorry. I just have to come and confront him. I'm working on this video. Okay, the other one we got is Argentinosaurus. Bro. Sound like a cow mixed with a machine. A cow machine. Yeah, it sounds like a cow. Oh. Man, it sounds like a cow. Oh, sorry. So was this video. Sorry if I paused a bit. I had to confront my dad. I'm working, but I had to tell him right now after I'm done with this video. Now I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you guys tomorrow with another video. Please like and subscribe if you haven't, and if you enjoyed this video, comment down below what is your favorite dinosaur. See you guys on Saturday with another video. Peace for now on.